shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking, how everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, overblow. Oh, snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rapping. He choked. He's so mad, but he won't give up that easy, no. He won't have it, he knows his whole back's to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope, he knows that. But he's broke, he's so stacked that he knows when he goes back to his mold, that's when it's back to the lab again. Oh, this whole rap shit, he better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass him. Oh, you better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
That is gaping, this world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, only grows harder. He blows us all over, these hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows he's known as the globe trotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father, he goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. His hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product, they moved on to the next schmo who flows. He knows Dove and Soul Nada, so the soap opera is told and unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on, da da dum da dum. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yo, no more games, I'ma change what you call race. Tear this motherfucking roof off like two dogs' cage. I was playing in the beginning, the mood all changed. I've been chewed up and spit out and booed off stage, but I kept rhyming and stepped right in the neck cipher. Best believe somebody's paying a Pied Piper. All the pain inside amplified by the fact that I can't get by with my 9 to 5 and I can't provide the